If you are someone who aspires to build a lucrative career in the domain of AI, or more specifically generative AI, projects are extremely crucial. Why, you may ask? Well, they provide you with the much needed hands-on experience with AI. Additionally, recruiters, while hiring, give preference to candidates who have had experience working with projects. So in this video, we are going to cover 5 hands-on project ideas, from image to even music generation to having your own personal chatbot. These projects will open up a world of opportunities for you. On this note, let's begin. The idea behind this project is to build a text chatbot that engages in natural language conversation with its users. In this project, you will learn to build an AI-driven system that mimics human interactions and offers information and assistance for specific purposes. For beginners, this is a simple yet powerful project. In this project, you will build a first version of our chatbot in Python, powered by Google Bard API, then customize it for your specific needs. This could act as a text summarizer, resume builder, a mock interviewer, etc. Those who are interested, you may check out this particular video where we built a custom chatbot under 10 minutes using Python. Now let's check out the next project. The aim of our next project is to create a generative AI tool that extracts key content from videos and condenses them into concise summaries. In this project, you will learn how to create an efficient way to access videos, especially long YouTube videos, and get information from them in a lesser time. In this project, we'll develop a YouTube summarizer using the pre-trained model BART from Hugging Face. Why BART, you may ask? Well, BART is a powerful pre-trained language model that can be fine-tuned for summarization tasks. For more information on this project, you may check out this article on our Analytics Vidhya blog. Here we lay out the process of building a YouTube summarizer from scratch. Alright, the idea behind this generative AI project is to build a tool that creates images based on prompts. In this project, you will learn how to use the AI's capability to imitate human artistic creativity. This is a beginner level project. In this project, we'll create a generative AI tool with a pre-trained stable diffusion model and Google Colab to generate images with the help of prompts. Additionally, we are also going a step ahead and building a Gradio app on top of it so that we get a clean interface for image generation. You may refer to this in-depth video for the same and get a step-by-step process of building an image generator. Let's check out the next project. In this particular project, our aim here is to build a code explainer AI tool. This is a transformative tool that will take a Python code snippet as input and provide a detailed step-by-step explanation as output. The idea here is to dive into the coding prowess of AI. In this beginner level project, we are going to build a code explainer AI tool powered by the free Google Palm API. It will basically help break down the complex Python code into simpler, human-readable explanations, making it easier for everyone to understand and learn from. Additionally, we will use Gradio to create a beautiful web interface to our Gen AI application. In fact, we have made a hands-on video which you guys may refer to. The link would be in the description. Now let's move on to the next project. The idea of doing this generative AI project is to create an AI tool that composes original music pieces on its own. The aim here is to teach you how to handle and use complex algorithms to understand musical patterns, styles, and genre. This is a bit advanced level project. Here we use WaveNet and long short-term memory networks, or LSTM, to generate music. Both models are trained on a dataset of musical notes. The WaveNet model uses dilated causal convolutions to capture the long-term dependencies in music, while the LSTM model uses recurrent connections to learn the relationships between notes. If you want to explore this advanced level project, you may check out this particular article, which provides a step-by-step guide on building a music generator. So that's all the projects we had for you. If you have more suggestions, you may let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel for more such content on generative AI and data tech. See you in the next video. Bye.